You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this city, the capital city of Cameroon. If you want to learn how to pronounce the name of the country better, stay tuned. I've got a video for you. And more capital names. You need to watch more videos. Yaoundé is the French pronunciation, French being an official language of Cameroon, which is also why it's got an accent. Yaoundé, Yaoundé, Yaoundé. In English, the pronunciation is similar. Yaoundé, Yaoundé. It's easy once you know how to pronounce Yaoundé, Cameroon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.